Programming your 2018-2024 Ford F-150 key fob yourself is generally straightforward. It involves using your ignition key to cycle the vehicle into programming mode. This synchronizes the fob's unique code with the truck's body control module, BCM, enabling functions like locking, unlocking, and remote start. The standard method requires a compatible key fob and a working ignition key. Recent updates include Ford Pass app integration for some 2021 Plus models, enabling partial remote pairing via smartphone. However, full DIY programming still relies on manual ignition cycling. Remember, success rates are high for experienced users, but errors can lead to module lockouts, so follow instructions carefully. Programming steps and important considerations. For 2018-2020 F-150s, programming typically involves a 4-step ignition cycle. Insert the key, turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine, and cycle the locks a specified number of times within a set time frame, usually 8 times in 10 seconds. Then, press the buttons on your key fob to pair it. A key point to remember is to disconnect the battery briefly beforehand to reset the system and prevent alarms. If the process fails, check the fob's battery, ensure you're using a compatible fob, and double-check the procedure for your specific year and model. For advanced troubleshooting, consider third-party programmers like the Autel MaxiSys.